Let me start out by saying that Dr. Lamb was my second experience with plastic surgery. Approximately 10 years ago, I had a chin implant that the doctor at that time told me that I had a very small chin, and therefore he was not able to completely fit the chin implant in my chin. Over a period of 7 to 8 years, the chin implant began to shift, and it started to shift more and more each year. So I started investigating having something done, a neck lift, anything to repair where the chin was starting to protrude out on the side of my chin. I saw an article on Dr. Lamb that had no information on him whatsoever. So I thought, there's no way this guy is anywhere in Dallas, but I went on the website, the internet, and just typed in Dr. Samuel Lamb, and he turned up here in Dallas. So I called and made an appointment and met him, talked with him. I know at least 5 or 6 times I came and talked, and we discussed what he thought I needed, and he thought, the neck lift, the fat grafting, something that would make me younger looking, the way that I used to look in my youth. At first it was very hard to understand when he said that he would inject fat into me, and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I'll just have a really fat face and don't see how this is going to work at all. Also, he was going to try to repair the chin implant, and when I woke up from surgery and found out that the chin implant had actually fallen out when he went in to repair it, I'm thinking, oh my gosh, my whole face is going to just drop. But Dr. Lamb has managed to use my own fat and silicone and has built a better chin than I ever had to start with. He is the best doctor that I have ever met in my whole entire life. I cannot say enough good things about him. I've never called a doctor on a Sunday on a cell phone and had him answer. Dr. Lamb does that. He's not the kind that just rushes you out the door and never wants to see you again, like my first surgeon did. That man could not get me out of the office soon enough because, in all actuality, he had known that he had messed up his surgery. But I was a lot younger back then and didn't really know any better. Now, I had researched, and I had gone to 2 or 3 doctors before I had discovered Dr. Lamb. But after meeting Dr. Lamb, that was all that it took. I was satisfied. I knew that he was not going to give me a pullback, unnatural look. And most people I meet, they don't know I've had anything done. And I love to tell people that I'm going on 57 years old because their mouths drop open and they can't believe it. He has changed my life for the better. I just have so much more confidence. I put my before and after picture on my bulletin board at work. I am so proud of it because there's just such a difference. I would recommend him to anyone, and I recommend him to everyone. Everyone that knows me knows about Dr. Lamb. He's just a part of my life now, and I can't say enough good things about him and his staff. They make you feel welcome. They just treat you like part of the family, and I've never, ever experienced that with any doctor in my life.